Yo, what up? This is Willpower. So what you're seeing me do here is cut some neoprene fabric for my instrument that I'm developing called BodyX. Now this is a wearable instrument that I wear, that I strap around my hands and wear like a glove to control lights, sound, audio, and instruments that are developed through software using all open source kind of technology. So like processing, for example, for audiovisuals using Arduino IDE, and making my own circuits and making my own instruments by doing e-textiles. So I'm combining fabric with circuits to make an instrument that focuses on the natural movements of the body rather than using, a laptop, a computer, controllers. It's like the body becomes the vehicle for creation in itself rather than the instrument being outside of your body, although that's cool too. So this is just me cutting neoprene. I'm an artist that makes his own tech. So yeah, stay tuned. Follow me on my journey and you'll see where this leads. This is Willpower. The website is willpowerstudios.com. Peace. Inner peace.